Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy card that gets a lot of impact from the simple use of a gorgeous embossing folder, so let's get started. First I stamped the critters from Polar Pals onto white cardstock with Copic-friendly black ink. Then I colored them with Copic markers. I use R02 and R00 for their ears and cheeks, and cool grays for the bear and penguin. I use C5, 3, 1, and 00 for the bear, and just add a few shadows to give dimension to his white fur. I use Y38 for both birds' feet and beaks. Then I use C9, 7, and 5 for the darker parts of the penguin, and C3 and 1 for his belly. Finally, I use R39 and R20s for the bird. Once I'm done coloring all the critters, I die cut them with the coordinating dies. Next, I place an A2 panel of white cardstock in the new Kaleidoscope embossing folder and run it through my die cutting machine. The folder presses that stunning dimensional design into my white cardstock panel. Just look at all those gorgeous details. I stamp a sentiment from Polar Pals onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with white embossing powder before die cutting it with a coordinating die. Finally, I adhere the embossed panel to a white card base and then add the critters and sentiment. Off camera, I add a little Spectrum Noir clear sparkle to the bear. And that's it. It's a super simple card, but that background really makes it stand out. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!